My love for makeup setting sprays runs deep. Anytime someone says, oh my gosh, my makeup doesn't last very long at all, I always ask, are you using a setting spray? This has been my favorite for years. $10 for the price, you can't beat it. But I had to know whether some of the more pricey setting sprays were worth the hype. Hi, how are you today? I am so glad that you're here. If we haven't met, my name's Dawn from Just Doing My Best. You can find me over on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. And I love bringing you super simple makeup tips and mostly affordable makeup. This Milani Make It Last Original Setting Spray has been my favorite for so long. I talked about it in this video here, but sometimes it's fun just to see what else is out there. And you know, we all see all of the videos, people, whatever, on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, whatever, talking about some of the pricier brands. And you know what? Every now and again, sometimes you find something that's worth it, and sometimes you're just like, I don't get that. That was definitely my experience when I started testing some of these setting sprays that I hear so much buzz about. Let's jump into it. First of all, if you've never used a makeup setting spray, basically it does exactly what it says it's going to do. It just sets your makeup and just locks it in place all day long. If you are having really good luck with your makeup, it's staying in place, it looks beautiful all day long, fantastic. For me, I have very oily, mature skin, even at 56, and a makeup setting spray has been a game changer for me. So I've tried several. Like I said, I love the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. This one is vegan, clean ingredients, and the instructions tell you to use it before and after your makeup application. So before it primes the skin, after it hydrates, and it sets the makeup, and it says for 24 hours. So according to their website, it says it's waterproof and sweat proof. Now, if you have drier skin, you may enjoy their dewy formula. I do want to say though, as much as I love this setting spray, I did try the Milani setting spray with SPF, and because that's a chemical SPF, woo, that did not work for me at all. It just kind of burned. I had to nix that right away. But the original, I use it before a drop of makeup goes on my face, and then I use it after, and this definitely works for me for at least 8 hours. I get a really good wear time, and my makeup looks beautiful all day long. For the price, I say this all the time, if you need something cheap and cheerful, works, worth the price, this is definitely a must-have. One of the makeup setting sprays that is getting so much buzz is the One Size Setting Spray by Patrick Starr. The website says it's waterproof, sweat-proof, all-day wear, no parabens, vegan, absorbs oil, good for up to 16 hours. I did not feel like, for me, it lasted more than 8 to 10 hours. Plus, when I sprayed this on my makeup to set it all, it made my eyes water. I have heard so many people say that this is bulletproof. The full size of the One Size makeup setting spray, well, almost all of these, the full size runs about $40. They're all like between $30 and $40 on Sephora. Like I said, this one made my eyes water. I thought it was good. I certainly didn't get 16 hours worth of wear time on this. I probably would not buy this again. One of the more affordable options that I picked up was the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I had forgotten that I used this almost exclusively a few years ago. This one is vitamin infused, even application. This is a very even spray. I really like that about this. Natural finish, under $20, where most of these range between $30 and $40. This one runs usually around $17. 8-hour wear time. The website says it's very, very comfortable. I do find that to be true, that this is a very comfortable wear. My makeup feels exactly the same at the beginning of 8 hours as it does at the end of 8 or closer to 10 hours. You do need to know this is an aerosol. So if you're traveling, if you're buying a makeup setting spray because you're going to an event, a wedding, something like that, you may not love this for travel. But like I said, this was the one I used exclusively a few years ago, and I had forgotten how much I love this. I would definitely buy this again. And then this one was the absolute worst of all of these options, and it's almost $40. The Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury, the most disappointing. Almost $40 and gets so much hype. I absolutely do not understand it. If you've tried this and it's working for you, I would love to hear from you because it did not work for me at all. I tried it 6 ways to Sunday. The website says spray before and after, where some of the others say just spray after. I tried it both ways. I've tried it several ways. I was so disappointed in this. The website says spray before and after. It says it's a flexible but breathable film to keep your makeup in place. It says it blurs pores. It's waterproof. I was so disappointed in this. I would never buy this again. I have 2 more options left. If you're enjoying this, I would love it if you would like this video and subscribe. That would mean the world to me. I have seen so many people talk about the Milk Makeup Setting Spray. Full size runs about $40, and it is vegan, clean ingredients, and alcohol free. So that is worth noting if that is important to you, and if you definitely need something that's alcohol free, this might be a good option for you. The website says it's transfer proof, blurs pores, and it's a soft focus finish. But it also says to reapply throughout the day to help mattify and control oil. For almost $40, I do not want to keep reapplying it. Did I like it? Yes. Did it work? Yes. But for almost $40, I feel like that's an awful lot of money to spend to have to keep reapplying it. I might be able to do that with some of the other less expensive options. So for that reason, I probably wouldn't buy this one again. This last option is for you if you want something that is super clean and a beautiful formula for your skin, or if you run a little bit more normal to dry skin. This is the Beauty Elixir by Caudalie, and it is a beautiful setting spray. The full-size version of this is the priciest of all the setting sprays that I purchased. The website says it's clean. It's a beautiful skin prep. It tightens the pores and it sets your makeup for a dewy skin look. It's 100% natural formula. Spray it before makeup for toning and astringent properties. Smells so fresh. It has rosemary and mint in it. The smell is intoxicating. It's wonderful. Use this as a setting spray, but the website says you can also use it to freshen up your skin throughout the day. Now, here's what I would say about this. For the skincare astringent benefits, I would buy this again. As a setting spray, this did not work for me. Again, I have very oily skin. I need something that's just going to lock it in place. For something that preps the skin and nourishes the skin before everything else, I would absolutely recommend this. So if you have normal to dry skin, this is definitely something you could consider. I got the travel size and I have not used much of this at all. So for about $20 to get the smaller size, I would probably do this again. Would I recommend this as a setting spray for oily to normal skin? Probably not. Astringent skincare benefits? Definitely. Setting spray? Maybe more if you're on the dry skin side. Let me know if this was helpful. I will link all of these down in the description below. And I would love to know if maybe your experience with one of these was different than mine? Let me know down in the comments. And if you want to see more videos on how to get your mature makeup to look its best all day long, watch this video next about setting your makeup with setting powder. God bless you. I can't wait to see you in the next video.